In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Windows 11 starts without a desktop icons, files, and taskbar or a black screen error in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first method that you need to do is you need to press Control, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a window called Task Manager. Again, it is Control, Shift, and Escape key together, or either you can press Control Alt and Delete key together and press the task manager, and in that way you would be able to bring up this kind of window. So from here, you need to expand it first so that you can see all of the option clearly, and directly proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there Run New Task. Click on it, and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to bring up this small window called Create New Task, where here you need to type for Explorer or Explorer.exe. Okay? Once done, click on OK. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to fix the problem. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next method. Okay? So the next method would be you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. Again, it is regedit, REGEDIET. I mean DIT. Then click on OK. And you receiving a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes, just proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running this registry editor window. So from here, you need to navigate directly to the left side and locate with HK underscore local underscore machine and double tap to expand it, and please proceed with software. Once done, double tap and then this time you need to locate for Microsoft. So scroll down on the list and locate for it. Once you have find it, double tap once again, and this time you need to locate with Windows NT. Okay? So we just have to scroll down and locate for it. So here, once we find it, double tapped, and from here you can see their current version. Okay? And then here the current version, you need to double tap, and from here you need to locate with when logged on. Okay? And once you have find the win logged on, directly proceed here at the center and please proceed with shell. Okay. Again, we have just been into HK underscore local underscore machine. Then we navigate to the software. Then we choose for Microsoft. Then we click on the Windows NT. Then we choose for current version and here at the win logged on. Okay. So here at the shell, this is a very important value data because I mean the values because we need to ensure that the value data is explorer.exe. So how we can do so, you need to double tap to it. And here you need to ensure that the value data is explorer.exe. Okay, because one of the factor why you face an error is that you have set a different value data here. So it's very crucial to set explorer.exe. Once you've set it, click on OK and close all of the keys that are being opened. Okay, so we just have to close all of such. Okay. And once you're good, close the window and restart your computer. So, in order to restart your computer, you can press Control Alt and Delete key together, and at the bottom right side of the screen, you can see there a power option. All you need to do is you need to click on it and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, your problem must be fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the next method, and that is you need to bring up your File Explorer, and from here, you need to choose for your C drive or local disk. Okay, so navigate with this PC, make a right click here, and please choose for properties. Now here at the properties, you need to identify for tools. And here at the tools, you can see there error checking. Please click on check and go with scan drive. Okay, so this might take some time, but all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished. Okay, please be patient and wait because this will help you to refreshed and to fix all the problems that you are facing. Okay? So once you're good, try to restart your PC. Okay? Restart your PC and try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So the last method that you need to do is you need to run for SFC scan now. So here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear in this window, which is the command prompt system. And once it's here, please navigate directly to the right side of it. And when you see the Run as Administrator, click on it, and you would be receiving a notification. Your user account is asking you to say yes proceed with yes so that you can continue. Okay. So from here, please tap for SFC space forward slash scan now. Again, it is SFC space forward slash scan now. Make sure that you have typed the command clearly. Okay. So hit the enter key, and in that way, you can now start the SFC scanning. Okay. So all you need to do is you need to wait. This might take some time, maybe 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on the machine. Okay. So just be patient. Don't close this window. Don't close your computer as well unless you're done. Once you're done, just restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.